it. But when you run out of these, you got to go back to the store and buy them. So that's why I try to do as much as I can, be efficient as I can with the money that I got. So if you got time, or if you got the ends and the funds, $1 here, $1 there can definitely help out the channel grow. Get our projects done that much quicker, but we are looking good and we will keep moving forward. I appreciate everybody who has helped out. So you can see we got different grit there. This one's going to be more aggressive than this one. But yeah, that's why I like using our files. Wherever I can save money or keep the wallet in my pocket, I go for it. So if I can save a little bit of time by sweating, then I'm gonna go for it. So that's what we do at the DIY Arch. Try to make everything as efficient as possible. Enjoy having fun, show you guys how to save some money and to get some stuff built. So I really haven't had to buy any of this that you're looking at. All I bought was, I bought the 15 that goes in the 15-inch box. And the rest of these I have found. Either I had a wood from a dresser that we took apart and used the good wood, to going down the road and seeing some guy throw away his bandpass box and take it home. So if you want to go ahead and hit up the super chat, just know that your money is going to good things and I'll make every last penny work. And Mr. Unc Andy, I appreciate what you did, giving to the super chat last week. It was so awesome. I'm still getting my monetization, all taxes in and all that information set up. So I can't wait to get that money and put it to use. I thank you so much for donating to the channel. The whole crew was so grateful. We want to say thank you at least one more time, and I'm sure I'll tell you again. And thanks for the great tips. RASP file, R-A-S-P, RASP file. Unc Andy, man, you're $100 over there. I appreciate it. You're a good guy, dude. You're worth more than they think. Try to start a channel doing cool tips and stuff. If you're not doing it already, and if you are, go check out Unc Andy. He got all kind of cool tips over there too. All right, I'm gonna put some of this 60 grit on here. We should be able to get this stuff done real quicker.